This is a tool that I built. You upload a screenshot of your landing page, pick a goal, and it scores the page and hands you back exactly what to fix. And there it is, a score and 3 fixes sent straight to my inbox. I didn't write a single line of backend code to build this. Claude Code built the entire backend for me, and let me show you how. If you've ever wanted to build something like this, an app that takes an input, runs it through AI, saves the result, and gates it behind a payment, you know the backend is where this gets hard. You need a database, you need to write up the AI call, you need permissions so that people can't just edit their own credit balance, you need Stripe. That's usually the point where builders either learn to code or end up hiring someone. But here's the thing, you don't need either anymore. Momen just launched something called the no-code plugin. It works inside of Claude Code, Codex, or Cursor. Instead of buying your backend by hand inside of Momen's editor, you just tell Claude Code what you want, and it builds the entire thing for you. Database, AI logic, API integrations, permissions, all of it. And unlike a normal coding agent, everything that it builds shows up in a visual editor that you can actually read. Getting it running takes about 2 minutes. Inside Claude Code, you add a plugin marketplace using Momen's repo link, sync it, and the Momen no-code plugin shows up ready to install. Then you create a blank project in Momen. I called mine landing page audit. It starts completely empty. That emptiness is the point here. Claude Code is about to fill it all in. Here's what I actually asked for. A tool where someone uploads a screenshot of their landing page, picks a goal like get signups or sell a product, and an AI agent looks at the image and then scores it. Value prop clarity, CTA visibility, trust signals. Then it hands back a prioritized list of the top 3 things to fix. I wrote that out as a prompt, pasted it into Claude Code, and let it run. One thing that matters here, my prompt included the actual Momen project URL, the one for the empty project I just created. That's what tells Claude Code which project to build into. Without that, it can't see or manage your Momen project at all. Okay, so watch what it builds. I'm going to keep flipping over to the Momen editor as it works so that you can see this happening in real time, not after the fact. First, the database. A table to store the audit, the screenshot, the score, the reasoning. Then the AI agent itself. This is the part doing the actual thinking. It's looking at the image and returning structured output instead of just a paragraph of text. Then we have the action flow. This is the logic that ties it together. Someone submits an audit, that triggers the AI. The AI's answer gets saved back to the row, and an email goes out with the results. This right here is the part that I want to slow down on. Once Claude Code finished the first pass, it actually ended up catching something. The default permissions would have let anyone write directly to the audits table, or edit their own credit balance, or call the AI agent straight from the front end. Any of those would have let someone skip the paywall entirely. It fixed that on its own. Locked writes down to only happen through the action flow. Made credit balance impossible to edit client side. That is a real security decision made without me having to ask for it, and I can see exactly what it changed because it's sitting right here in the editor, not buried in some code. That is the whole point of pairing Momen with a coding agent instead of just using one of its own. Let me open the editor and show one real flow end to end. Someone submits a screenshot, that triggers this action flow. It calls the AI agent here, the agent's answer gets saved to this row, then this last step sends the email. Every piece of that I can click into and I can read. If something breaks, I know exactly where to look. Once the backend was done, I turned the app into something that people can actually use. I opened Claude Code again, and this time I was specific. Build the front end in React and Vite and connect it to the existing Momen backend through the connector, not Momen's own UI builder. That last part matters. Without it, Claude Code might try to build the front end inside of Momen itself, which isn't supported just yet. Being explicit about React and Vite keeps the 2 sides separate, exactly the split I wanted. Upload screenshot, pick a goal, submit, wait for the result, show the score, and the fix list. This is the part that I want you to notice. The front end is completely regular code. I can read it, edit it, deploy it anywhere. The back end is visual, which I can read too. Neither side is a black box. Okay, so let's run this for real, and this time I'll show you both sides at once. I submit a screenshot and a goal from the app. Now watch the Momen editor. There's this new row landing in the database right now, and here's the AI workflow firing, running the analysis. A few seconds later, the row updates with the score, and that email goes out. That's the proof that this isn't just a nice looking front end, it's actually talking to a real backend live. Everything that I just built, the database, the AI agent, the whole action flow is sitting right in the editor link below. It's set so that you can open it, click around, and clone the entire backend into your own Momen account. You don't have to build this from scratch, just clone it and start editing it. I've also linked the plugin so that you can pair it with Claude Code, Codex, or Cursor, the same way that I did, and the live app if you want to see it running for yourself. Let me know what you think of this. If you try it, leave a comment, tell me your thoughts. And if you like tutorial videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.